Complete Kitchen and Bath. My name is Ben Davis and I am the Senior Project Manager for this location in Mint Hill, North Carolina. What I'd like to discuss today is budget, why it helps us. So coming in, if we know that you have a budget and where you're at, it helps us determine what products and what product lines we steer you to. So if we're not just picking out something that you like the color, we may have 3 other colors that are more budget friendly. We may have options for you that can speed up the process of how we're going to get to the end goal of making a beautiful kitchen for you. If we have to move walls, if we have to move your appliances and change where they're at, or adding a hood bin, these are all things that can cost significant amount of money and won't really improve what your idea of improving your kitchen is, but the cost is still there. So the idea here is to get you to your end goal, your project, in the quickest manner, in the budget that makes sense for you. So coming in with a budget that makes sense, that doesn't affect your lifestyle, and then add in another 10% to it, because there's things that will come up as far as underneath your kitchen sink. There could have been a leak there 10 years ago. There could be rot, there could be mold, there could be something that we have to deal with that's not budgeted in the plan. So I would recommend 10% extra on top of your budget, just put back for the unknown. The rotten floor, the walls, the bad electricity. There very well could come up something that's not in the plan that needs attention. So having that extra in your budget goes a long way to everybody being happy at the end of the product. So there will be upcoming videos to get you through the whole process of remodeling. This one is just about budget and make sure we're all on the same page from the very beginning. And stay tuned and watch more videos on how to get your kitchen completed. And we look forward to seeing you in the future. Take that part out.